Hey guys, Rocky again, welcome to another quick video. So in front of you, it arrived the other day, this is as far as I've got. This should be the Hunter's Moon Kickstarter game edition from Falmouth Digital. So this is how it came. I believe the fulfillment is being processed by RGCD. So nice big box, and there you go, RGCD. Retro Gaming CD, that's what. There we go. So let's have a quick look. Really well packed actually. That's the way you should pack stuff. I don't want to destroy this. Right, let's have a look what we've got here. So we've got a RGCD sticker, cool. Loose trousers. That's a fun game. That revolver fray. I've actually got that. And I've also got the, yeah. So, here's the main Hunter's Moon. So we've got a Thalma's bookmark, I suppose that would call it. Slipcover on the back. We've got so this is the remastered cartridge edition. This is what I probably paid too much for on Kickstarter, but hey ho. Really nice quality box. That's actually it's not inked yet. Well, that's good stuff. That's like, I always liked the Thalmas logo. I thought that was a bit, yes. So, plastic clamshell. Oh. So let's have a look at this stuff here. Manuel. Postcard. More RGC. Oh no, Thalmas stickers. Game's good enough to snog with. Nice. It's Hunter's Moon. So it's a printed manual, another rarity these days. Decent printing, multiple languages. So the game is in English, French, Italian, German, Spanish. And it's PAL or NTSC. So the original version of it is 87, and this is a remastered. Very nice. Very nice. Doesn't feel cheap. Good plastic, not 3D printed. That reads sticker. This is cool, a sort of custom foam insert. No rattly. Back of the box. Nice. So again we got the manual, two Thalma stickers, the Hunter's Moon. So it goes over like that. It just slips in nicely like that. That. And the RGCD stuff that came with it. There you go guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Hunter's Moon physical edition. There's a Kickstarter backer on that one. Could be, might be available for the RGCD, I don't know. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.